Welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to change the language in the Maps.me app on your phone. If you use Maps.me for navigation, switching the language can make your experience easier and more personalized. By the end of this video, you will know exactly. First, open the Maps.me app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the More option. Then, from the list that appears, tap on Settings to open the main configuration menu. Inside the Settings menu, keep scrolling down until you see the Language option. Once you find it, tap on Language. You'll see a list of available languages supported by the app. Now simply choose the language you want to use. The app will automatically update and apply your chosen language instantly, without needing to restart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.